Sanibonani, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to Umnkosi Nophilile. Ngiyabonga kakhulu for joining. Thank you very much. Ungakhohlwa ukusubscribe, ulike ivideo, share ivideo as well. So ngifuna ukukhuluma ngo DJ Sbu kule video you guys. Kunezinto ebezisenzakala online. DJ Sbu I think uthe mayazihambile wathola ke omunye ubaba laphana odayisa emgaqeni ushuthi udayisa ke ama energy drinks, something like that. Ubaba nje oziphandelayo udayisa ama energy drinks. I think maybe he was just trying to see ukuthi ngabe lo yababa unayo yini iMofire, and remember ke iMofire ibrand ka DJ Sbu, right? So wakhipha ke i200 rand uButi Sbu wathi kulo baba unayo iMofire. Lo baba wathi hayi cha anginayo, kusho ukuthi une Coke, Fanta namanzi nezinye izinto, wathola akanayo iMofire. And the DJ Sbu wasethi what kind of a hustler is this, something like that along the lines ukuthi uyihustle njani uyadayisa kodwa awunayo ke iMofire, you know. For me I did not know. I think ngumuntu nje othanda ukuthi njalo nje advertise ibrand yakhe. So I think mhlambe ebantwini kwazwakala okwabonakala ngathi ku wrong manje ngendlela asho ngayo mhlambe nokuthi befuna ukuthi abantu abaningi bathi so wena you were expecting ukuthi baba lo abe neMofire, not amanye ama brands but your brand, you know what I mean. So angazi man, ngizondlalela iclip le uDJ Sbu wathola khona lo baba odayisa wafuna iMofire wangayithola, and then video yasipost, and then there was a backlash, a lot of things said to DJ Sbu ukuthi ngempela how can you do this kulo baba as hustler, uyazihustlela just ukuthi akanayo iMofire, this is you DJ Sbu da sakhuluma okuningi singabantu on social media. Like I always say ukuthi abantu on social media omunye nomunye phela une right ukuthi asho into ayithandayo. So ke ngizodlala iclip uqala before ngingakhuluma. Ngibona no Daily Thanda engathi ubebhalile istory ngoSbu ube trenda kakhulu ka Twitter namanje nje kuthi sekunama video awu3, right? Asikhulume ngevideo yaqala yila athole khona lo baba etufuna iMofire wangayithola, apost ivideo athola ibacklash. Uthe masethola ibacklash wazoposta enye video uSbu esethwele ke yena ama can weMofire wawahambisa kulo yababa, wafika wamnikeza ukuthi makadayise ke what now you have Mofire, something like that, wabuye wamshira ne200 rand. Angithi ngesikhathi emfici ukhiphe 200 rand wathi ngicela iMofire, uButi lona wathi anginayo iMofire, something like that. What kind of a hustler is this? Wahamba ne200 rand akazange amshiyele yona, right? This is what people were saying. Could you humiliate this man? You don't even give him to clipper. Like we are futhi nje yini yonke lento keep him imali ubonise lo baba ukuthi when you need to clipper, after that you don't buy anything simply because lo baba lo akana iMofire. Okay, umese ubuye sezoxolisa uza nale to clipper yakhe. Okay, because people spoke about how he did not give lo baba lo to clip. Uza ke naye le to clipper ku second video. Amphathele ndeke namakheni weMofire ukuthi ahustle imali izoba ngiyakhe after that, just ukuthi ezo apologize ukuthi I'm sorry for ukuthi ngidlulelana ngase kwesebenzeke into kanjena nekanjena. So after that video sexolisile kwaba nenye video yomunye uButi uthi ungumntana kababa lo Buti uthi ungumntana kababa lo uthi uyakhala uthi yena into yenziwe nguSbu kubabakhe ntontoni ayikho right, kumele azoxolisa. Futhi mina the way ngihlala nama Mozambicans, guys, we know Mozambicans, uButi lana is from Mozambique, bakhuluma kanjani isikhathi esiningi mabethi ukuxolisa but ukuqolisa like mabezokhuluma isiZulu ama Mozambicans. Okay, if you are Mozambican don't come for me, but at least laba mina ngiphila nabo, that's how they speak, and I assume ukuthi he's Mozambican. I've seen a lot of people going he's Zimbabwean, yeah, accent, yeah, nasi am investigator, uyabazi ke labo masefuna uqala into zabo sefuna ukususa le kashidima manje la singafuna ukuya khona, you know. I think he's from Mozambique, the way he spoke isiZulu sakhe. Okay, so wonke lawo ma videos ngizokuphayilela wona lana nginawo ne lo Buti lo wakhala wathi uDJ Sbu uhlamba la zibaba wakhe ntontontoni, and he's expecting an apology after uSbu ezile kodwa ne apology bafethu. uButi lo then cries ukuthi uSbu humiliated ubaba wakhe, and then wathola ibacklash naye lo Buti futhi abantu bathi hayibo ungubaba wakho la muntu wena futhi ngathi umdala kunalo muntu ithini yazi into ka Twitter. Bamdrega ke lo yaButi abantu bathi no, he doesn't look like ubaba wakhe, ubaba wakho ngathi umncane kunendodana, uhamba kanjani? Guys, I'm smaller than my son. Ungangibuka nomntana wami lo na 14 uzenza 15 maybe in 2 months, like he's bigger than me. Lokho lokho kuyenzeka ukuthi umzali ube nomzimba omncane abantu abakho bakhulu because abantwana sibazala nabanye abantu basuke benemizimba umntana bese ethatha ithambo la kubo something like that so ubhudilana uthi that's his father abantu bathi ayi le inamanga something like that after that uyajika futhi uyabhudi uzokhala ngokuthi ha nizokuthenga ngiyatrenda ngiyabona ngiyatrenda on social media abantu bathi nginamanga subaba wami okay phela ngiscreator ngadontontoni let me bring you lawo ma video lawo asikhulume manje ngevideo yaqala uDJ Sbu efica ke lo baba edayisa engenayo iMorphia so after that ke kunobhudi la othi uyindodana yalo baba lona bafethu ubonakala epost video eblame uDJ Sbu ekhala ngokuthi uDJ Sbu uembarrass baba wakhe like I said before so abantu they are like ay le ngathi namango babakho bathi lapha no MDN News the alleged son of man DJ Sbu humiliated has responded. This comes after DJ Sbu criticized his father for not selling iMorphia. Wazokhala lo bhuti wathi uDJ Sbu kumele azoqolisa ngoba phela ubabami umhlaze but for me I no naye ngimbona nje cloud chaser lo bhuti uDJ Sbu uhambile phela wayoxolisa wafika wanikeza ubaba kwiMorphia I think ama cases awu2 eMorphia nalo ya 200 rand waxolisa wathi guys I didn't mean any harm singibone futhi kwenye clip engizazoyiposta nayo separately from this particular video uDJ Sbu ufike wamnikeza more cans wabuye wamdayisela wathi ngizosebenza kodwa imali ngiyakho ngifuna ukubonisa nje ukuthi usetshenziswa kanjani so this guy what is he talking about lo bhuti lo othi umntana waloya baba abantu bethi hayi waye ngathi wena ngubaba waloya kuningi bafethu let's watch this brother ucomplain nje wazwakhala inyembezi athi uDJ Sbu akazoxolisa ukhuluma ukuthi ufuneka imbuzi like I'm like ay yazini ay ka social media sizibona zonke bafethu asimbukeke lo bhuti. Okay, now, so unfortunately, when it comes to the clips that I promised to attach, there is music on those clips. Unfortunately, the ones that I get online, there is music. Unfortunately, so if I can attach them here, I might get copyrights or so. So what I'm gonna do is to insert Laoma clips. I will mute the sound, but anyways, I did explain what is happening with Sbu and the men. So I'm just going to putting them on my screen for you to watch when I speak about the Morphia drink, and then I'm gonna put the clip on the side. Then you just watch exactly what is happening. He came with wanting Morphia, then he came with Morphia to give to the men, and then there's also the videos of the son. I think I can bring because there is no music, but the two videos of DJ Sbu, there is music, unfortunately. So just listen to the video and then watch the clips as I speak on them because of the music that is there. Because asifuna ukuba copyrighted bafethu angisebenzela ukukhola.
Ngiyabona ku video yami yokuqala abantu bathi mina ngi attention seeker uDJ Sbu uxolisile abanye bathi ngimudala kunobaba wami ngimudala it's only God knows why mina nginje I can't respond but into engizoyisho mina uDJ Sbu vele akazange axolise kubaba wami umani wafika wamunikeza le 200 rand wamunikeza nabo Morphia lemiqhamo yembuzi kumele uDJ Sbu aze lapha ekhaya sikhona nobaba khona ayenze ivideo nami ngikhona azoqolisa ene kumele aze nembuzi la ekhaya la kumele alethe imbuzi la azoshweleza I want a goat here we want the goat here he must come with a goat azoqolisa uDJ Sbu unezikandala eziningi kudala ayenza izinto ngaphandle semuqolela kudala semuqolela he must come with a goat here this time around he must even buy the grocery for December he must come with the goat azoqolisa ngikhani sizomuqolela izinto zakhe ngezilunge nazi angaxolisanga